Welcome to this guided meditation for a deep relaxation. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to fully relax and let go of any tension in your body. This is your time to calm your mind and connect with a deep sense of peace. Section 1. Breathing awareness. As we begin, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. There is no need to change the rhythm of your breathing, simply observe the natural flow. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of relaxation. Inhale peace and exhale any stress or worrying. Section 2. Body scan. Now, let's scan through your body. Releasing any remaining tension. Start by bringing your awareness to the top of your head. Feel the muscles in your scalp soften. Gently move your focus down to your forehead. Notice how each area feels as you let go of any tightness. Slowly shift your attention down to your neck and shoulders. If you're holding tension here, imagine it melting away with each breath. Continue to scan through your arms, your hands, and fingers, releasing, relaxing. Move your awareness to your chest and abdomen. With each breath, feel your body relaxing even more deeply. Now, relax your legs, your feet, and your toes. Your whole body is now in a state of calm and ease. Section 3. Visualization. Now, imagine yourself in a peaceful place. It could be a serene beach, a quiet forest, or any place that brings you a sense of calm. Picture the details. What do you see? What do you hear? The soft breeze, the sound of gentle waves. The warmth of the sun on your skin. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this peaceful setting. Feel the calmness of this place filling your entire being. Section 4. Affirmations. As you relax deeper into this state of calm, repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud. I am at peace. I release all tension and stress. I am calm and centered. I am in complete harmony with myself. Let these words resonate within you, grounding you in tranquility. Section 5. Closing. Take a moment to savor this feeling of deep relaxation. Know that this sense of calm is always within you. And you can return to it anytime you need. When you're ready, begin to gently bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly. Open your eyes. Carry this peaceful energy with you for the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for a deep relaxation. If you enjoyed this practice, feel free to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Wishing you peace and tranquility.